Students, to start with today's session of entrepreneur, we'll do the commercial functions. Now there are 5 commercial functions which are performed by entrepreneur. First is production. Now production is the main function of an entrepreneur. All the activities of production are independent to the size of the undertaking. In a small concern, one person may be undertaking this function, whereas in large and number of person can be taken into account. The second is finance. Now, finance plays a vital role in any business organization. Finance acts as a blood in your body. So it is the most important aspect of all enterprise. It remains our focus of all business activities. The need for money is continuous. It starts with the starting up of enterprise and remains at all times. The development and expansion of enterprise rather needs more commitment for funds. It is a duty of entrepreneur to look and analyze into the various sources of finance and appropriately arrange for them as and when required. Now next is marketing. Now production is there, finance is there, so next is marketing. Marketing is the primary is mainly concerned with the movement of goods and services from the producer to the ultimate customer. Because you have produced a product, but you're not able to it's not you're not in a position to that a product to reach to a customer. It's of no use. So it is directed towards the satisfaction of customer wants. Marketing plays a significant role in promoting the well-being of the business enterprise. So it is the role of entrepreneur to strategically place his company in an advantageous position to secure the top position in the market. Now next is personal. Now production is there, finance is there, marketing is there, but without person no enterprise can exist, because ultimately man is the main resource that will manage the resources. The personal function is concerned with the employment, development and compensation for the personnel. The provisions of working conditions and welfare measures to maintain a good workforce in the organization is required here. Now last is accounting. Accounting is defined as a systematic recording of entrepreneurial transactions of an enterprise and the financial position of the enterprise. The entrepreneur should look into the record keeping of the entries of all transactions which take place in the organization, so that he is aware of his financial position. Because if entrepreneur is not aware of his financial position, then ultimately he is in loss, and sooner or later be he will feel the consequences or results in failed business failure. Thank you.